Affiliate marketing is often touted as a digital goldmine, yet many embark on this journey without a map. Imagine turning your passion for a product into a sustainable income. Intriguing, isn't it? Today, we uncover the secrets to mastering affiliate marketing, leading you to profitable partnerships. To start, align with products you genuinely believe in. Authenticity resonates with audiences, fostering trust. When your audience believes in your recommendations, they're more likely to make a purchase, fueling your success. Remember, authenticity is your foundation. Next, understanding your audience is crucial. Dive deep into analytics, identify their needs, and tailor your content accordingly. Craft engaging narratives around your products, creating a seamless blend of information and story. Consider yourself an educator, not just a marketer. Now, let's delve into the art of content creation. Effective affiliate marketers weave a tapestry of words that captivate and inform. Video reviews, blogs, and social media posts should be compelling yet genuine. Building a community around your content turns motivation into action, transforming passive viewers into active participants in your affiliate journey. But what about choosing the right partnerships? Look for those offering excellent commission structures alongside robust support. A sustainable partnership thrives on mutual benefit, aligning both your success and the product creators. It's a reciprocal relationship, not a one-sided transaction. Finally, refine and optimize your strategy. Examine the metrics, identify what works, and adapt. The digital world is ever evolving, and your approach should be too. Flexibility is key to staying ahead. In conclusion, mastering affiliate marketing demands authenticity, strategic audience engagement, wise partnership choices, and continuous learning. Embark on this path with dedication and insight, and watch as your profitable partnerships flourish. This journey not only offers financial rewards, but also the opportunity to connect and impact lives through shared passions. Follow and turn on notifications for daily side hustle gems. Need cash flowing today? Head straight to www.kill9to5.com.